All right. Well, I felt like that flew by, and really captured a lot of the key themes that we want to highlight over the next 2 days. So I highly encourage all of you to come back for as much as possible. We heard that we can't be prepared for everything, but there's a lot of guidance out there from people who have spent a lot of time, thinking about what to do amid uncertainty. And again, that is something that we're going to explore in depth tomorrow. And so we also have a lot in the way of leading practices and examples that people are using, which has really helped to build this knowledge base on what to do with the information that we have. We have to consider, looking at one water management and the practicality of applying, projections and climate change adaptation in practice. Isn't can't be done in a silo. It really needs to be considering all of the different things that we are dealing with as water managers. As we've heard quite a bit, we have GCMs providing projections, not predictions, and there are multiple uncertainties and assumptions embedded in there. But there's still ways that we can use those models to make informed decisions despite the uncertainties. And the types of questions you ask will dictate what type of climate information you need. And the last point, which is what these 3 days are all about, is that connecting water professionals and the organizations that bring us together, as well as the climate scientists, can really help us to move forward. What information do we have now that we can make decisions with? And what information do we need in the future to push that even further?